In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your BLK2GO to your Field360 app. All right, so I'm going to push this guy here to the side for a second, and then we're going to look here on my iPad. I currently have a project that I already scanned, so this is the Field360 app. And then as you're scanning with your BLK2GO, as you're going around your project, you will see basically your point cloud start showing up live on the iPad, on the Field360 app. All right, so I'm going to back out all the way and then click confirm. All right, so now we are here in the home page where all your projects, all the scans that you've done here on the Field360 app will show up. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to hit these three dots and I'm going to say remove connection. I'm going to forget the scanner, and then we're going to go through that process all over again. So let me turn, I'm going to hold and press here the power button. I'm going to turn it off. All right, I turned the scanner off. Now we turn it back on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to X out of here. So just completely close out of the Field360 app. Right here on the bottom, this red icon, I'm going to click on it. This is the Field360 app. I'm going to open it. I'm going to go up here to the X with the Wi-Fi symbol on it. And I'm going to say connect scanner. So click connect scanner. I'm going to say BLK2GO. Select that guy. Click connect. And then this is going to come up. Now your SSID. So your SSID is either, for this example, is going to be the BLK2GO - a number. If it was the RTC360, it will be RTC360 - a number. Now, in this case, for the BLK2GO, there should be this little card right here. Let's see if we can focus correctly. So you're going to see the S number, the SSID, and then the password. So make sure you don't lose this guy, because this is basically all the information that you're going to need. But for the BLK2GO, so I'm just going to kind of put this here to the side. And then right now I'm looking at the SSID. So it says BLK2GO. And then I'm going to do it the hard way, and then we'll do it the easy way here next. So this is 363-363-2519. And then the password XFC2. All right, we're going to click connect. It's going to say join. It's going to take a second for it to connect. All right, and then that connection was successful. I'm going to say not now. Close that guy. And then now your scanner, your BLK2GO is connected. So if I'm going to tap here to the right, I can go back to that one. Actually, I'm going to go to this BLK test. And then this is the current room where I'm at. I was doing a test here. So as you can see here, this is a tiny little room where I'm recording this video. But if we let this guy load here for a second, then that's what it looks like. And then if I would have taken more time when I was scanning this room, this scan would have been a lot more detailed, but I just did, it took me like probably 10 seconds to walk around here. That's why it kind of looks probably not the best, not the most detail. But anyways, just for the example, this is what I did. All right, so now that I have the scanner disconnected, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the three dots. I'm going to say remove connection, confirm, and now we're going to do it the easy way. This is a cool thing about this BLK2GO, that it has the QR code. So we're going to say connect scanner, pick BLK2GO again, click connect. And then now, instead of me typing in these numbers from the little card, I am going to scan that QR code that you guys see right there. So if I click the QR code symbol, I'm going to put the microphone here to the side. I'm going to use the camera. Where is it? Where is it? Here we go. Here we go. Let me get it right. Then it automatically basically fills out all the information for you, the SSID and then the password, and then you're going to click join, and then you are connected. All right, and one last little trick that actually helped me out on the RTC360 is because the RTC360 doesn't have this little card, and it has a bunch of numbers on the door that sometimes they're just pretty confusing on what number is the actual SSID. If you go to your Wi-Fi settings, you're going to see here the actual SSID. So that's, if we see BLK2GO 3632519. So if you're having trouble trying to find it for the RTC360, just make sure you do this. All right, I think I want to keep this video pretty quick. This is all I want to show you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.